Hello students, today we'll see how we can draw a line with the different line style by using DDA line algorithm. So here I have taken class for line style and there is one function. This function draws line using DDA line algorithm. At the same time it checks the patterns and as per the pattern it draws the line. So this algorithm is taking 5 parameters, 4 parameters for starting and ending point of the line and the fifth parameter is for the line style. So here the pattern for line style is taken. So here there are 4 patterns. So there are 4 rows and there are 6 values in column. So this is very first pattern where all 6 values are 1. So this is the pattern for solid line. Then second row is having 3 1 0 1 0. So it is the combination of dotted and dash line. Third pattern is for the dash line. So here you can see 1 1 0 0 0 1. So it can be 1 1 1 0 0 0. So it gives the dash line. And fourth pattern is for dotted line, that is 1 0 1 0 1 0. So this 4 rows gives the 4 pattern. So if you want to add one more pattern, so you need to add one more row in this matrix. So this pattern will be used, this matrix will be used while plotting the pixel. So as per the pattern we want, the appropriate row will be checked, and if the row value is 1, then that pixel will be plotted, and if that value is 0, then that pixel will not be plotted. So as per the pattern value, pixel will be drawn or it will not be drawn. So from here there is a DDA line algorithm. It is the same algorithm. Very first step is that we have to find out the absolute difference in x and y. Whichever difference is greater, that will be given to length. Then in next step, small difference in x and small difference in y is calculated. Then very first pixel will be initialized x and y. So that will be initialized with x1 plus 0.5 into sine of dx. This sine function returns 1 or minus 1 based on the argument. If argument is greater than 0, then it returns 1. If argument is less than 0, then it returns minus 1. So based on that, this value may be x equal to x1 minus 0.5 or x1 plus 0.5. So once we have initialized very first pixel, now we can plot it. So here we can draw L number of pixels, so that L parameter will be used in for loop. So that many pixels we can plot. But before plotting, we have to check what is the pattern. So as per the pattern, we'll go to corresponding row. Here ls parameter or variable will give the pattern type. So we'll use it for row value, and column, for column we will write the I mod 6. So this I mod 6, it gives the remainder value. If remainder is 0, then it will take the 0th column. If it is 1, it will take first column. If remainder value is 2, it will take second column, so etc. So as per the ith value, it will find the corresponding column and it will take that value. So it checks this pattern value is 1 or not. So if this pattern is 1, then only the pixel will be plotted. If pattern is not 1, then this condition will be false and it will skip that pixel and it will find the next x and y value. So if it is 1, if this condition is 1, so if that pattern value is 1, there put pixel function will plot the pixel So this is a built-in function, put pixel function, which is defined in graphics.h. So it will take this xy value. It is taking 3 color value. From here you can change color value also. So it will plot this pixel in this defined color value. So in next, it will find the next xy, and this next xy will be used in next iteration of for loop. So again it will find the corresponding pattern. If it is 1, it will plot the pixel. If it is not 1, it will not plot the pixel. So this way pattern can be defined. So once we have written this DDA function, next function is the sign function. It is a normal user defined function. Then in main we'll call this function. First we'll create the object of line style. Then we'll initialize the graphics mode. Then next code is just to display the labels, whatever line style we are displaying. It gives that labels: solid line, dash dot line, and dotted line. Now here you can see the first calling where we have passed the parameters and the line style is 0. That is very first line style. So it gives the solid line. Then here in next calling we are passing the line style 1. So it gives the dash line. Then next is here we are calling the same function where line style is 2. That is the dash dot line, and the last one is dotted line. So it will give the single line, and here there is again another pattern. It gives a square like pattern. So here we have called the same function many times, so you can have the different pattern with this line style. So all you can try it. So we'll just compile it and we'll run it. Okay, so here you can see all 4 line style: solid line, dotted line, dash line, and dash dot line. And here at the right side you can see one pattern, square pattern, where we have used all these line style to draw this square. So similar pattern you can generate with this different line style. So this is what about the line style. Similar line style you can generate by using Bresenham line algorithm also. In the same way you can create the line style with the Bresenham algorithm. Thank you.